Hello everyone. Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about tree diagrams, a visual way to show all possible outcomes in probability. A tree diagram helps us organize outcomes step by step. Each branch represents a possible event, and as we move from left to right, we see all combinations that could happen. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we toss a coin twice. The first coin can be heads H or tails T. From each of those, the second coin can also be heads or tails, so our outcomes are HH, HT, TH, and TT. A tree diagram makes this easier to visualize. You start from one point, then branch out for each outcome. Each path from start to end represents a single combined outcome. Now, each branch can also show probabilities. If the probability of getting heads is 1 or 2 and tails is 1 or 2, we can label each branch with these values. To find the probability of a combined event, we multiply along the branches. For example, the probability of getting 2 heads is PHH, or cost 1, 2, x 1 to 2, or 1 to 4. Let's look at another example. Suppose a bag has 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. We pick one ball, record its color, and then replace it. The probability of picking red is 3, 5, and blue is 2, 5. If we do it twice, PR, then R, charge 3, 5, X, 3, 5, reverse 9, 25, PR, then B, or 3, 5, X, 2, 5, or 6, 25, and so on. The tree diagram shows all these outcomes clearly. To summarize, tree diagrams show all possible outcomes in sequence. Each branch is labeled with probabilities. To find combined probabilities, multiply along branches. The total probability of all final outcomes should always equal to 1. That's how we use tree diagrams to calculate and visualize probability outcomes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.